4th exercise of this chapter. In this exercise, what you have to do is you have to form a group of 2. As I have told you, it should be formed from the end, like we were doing in previous questions. While in the division method we were forming the groups, that only we just have to form a pair of 2. So let us start. In this first question, I'll make a pair of 78 and 4. Is it right? No, I said the pair should be formed from the end. So which numbers are they at the end? It is 84. So a group of 84 should be formed and the number remaining should be single. Like over here, 84 forms a group and the number 7 remains single because there is 3 digits in this number. Now let us move on to the second question. Over here there are 4 digits. So a group of 2 can be formed. Yes, but we have to start from the end. So let us start. 64 is one group and 17 is another group. Now let us go on with the third question. Over here same. There are 4 digits. So a pair of 2 can be formed. So let us start with the end. So 09 will form a group and 94 will form another group. Now this fourth question. Over here 3 digits are there. So how to form a group? Yes, from back side. So 61 will form one group and 9 will remain single. Same with fifth question. Over here there are 4 digits. So a pair will be formed from the end, a pair of 2. So this 01 will form one pair and 98 the another. Now over here in sixth question there are 5 digits. See. So how to form a group? 2 starting from the end. Don't think that there are 5 numbers, so we'll form a pair of 3 and the remaining 2 will form another pair. No, you have to just make a group of 2 and the last number, if it is single, then let it be single only. Over here 25 will form one pair, 06 will form one pair and 5 will remain single. Same with this question, there are 5 digits. So starting from the end will form a group of 2. Try to make maximum pair of 2. Okay. So see 05 will form one group, 92 will form one pair and 9 will remain single. In the 8th question there are 5 digits only. So what we'll do? We'll start from the end making the pair of 2. So 61 will form one pair, 33 the another pair and 5 will remain alone. Over here are also 5 digits. So starting from the end, we will try to make a pair of 2. So 25 will form one pair, 82 will form another pair and 1 will remain single. So it is just we have to form a pair. This is the way of writing the answer. Maybe you can copy the question like this. If this is the question, I can write 9, 6, 1 and I can underline this. And I can even write that 61 forms one pair and 9 remains alone or 9 remains single. So basically you just have to form the pair in this exercise number 4, question number 1. Now let us start with the question number 2 of this exercise. In this exercise what we have to do is we have to find the square root of the following numbers by divisional method. Yesterday I taught you how to find the square root by divisional method. The same we have to do over here. In previous exercise what we have done is we were given a fraction and we were finding by divisional method the square root of the numbers. Over here a simple number is given and we just have to find the square root. Means it is not that you have to find the numerator first, then the denominator, then the answer should be in the P by Q form. In this exercise we just have to write the simple answer. This is the square root of which number? Bas, that's it. So write this number, first question, 2209 in the divisional bracket. Now let us draw the divisional bracket first. A straight line and a horizontal line. Now the number 2209 will be written over here in the middle, like we are writing in divisions, like we are writing in division form now while dividing. If I say 22 divided by 2, so what you are writing 22 we were writing inside and 2 over here, and then 2 ones are 2, 0, 2, 2 ones are 2. Same what we are doing over here. the square root of which number is to found out is to be written over here, that is 2209. Then what we were doing, we were forming a pair of 2 like we have done in the previous question. We were pairing the numbers. So over here also we will pair the numbers starting from the end. So 09 will form one pair and 22 will form another pair. Now what we were doing after this step, we were seeing the first pair and we were trying to find out the square root of the closest number which is close to 22. Now let us start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. See, here it is 22 and we got 4 4s are 16. Means what? The square of 4 is the closest to 22, which is 16. So 16. Now let us try with 5. 5 5s is what? 5 5s is 25, which is greater than 22. If we write over here 25, then 22 minus 25 comes to negative. So it is not possible to get a negative answer in division form. So what we will do? We'll take 4 because 4 4s comes to 16. So let us, how many times we have to, if we get the answer, I told you how much time we have to write. We have to write it 3 times. Where we have to write? I'll show you. See, over here 1 4. This is second 4. And this is third 4. So how many times we were writing 4? We were writing 4 or the answer we get 3 times. One over here, one just below it and one over here. Now what we were doing? We were multiplying these numbers. Means how we got 4? Because 16 is closer to 22. And why we got 16? Because that is to be subtracted from here. So this 4 4s are 16. So that we have to write over here and subtract it from 22. So let us write. This is 16 and we draw a line like this. Now 22 minus 16 comes to what? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. It comes to 6. So that 6 we will write it over here. Now what we will do? Now we will add this both. Remember, the numbers towards the right, towards my right, it's negative. It will be subtracted from the given number. Whereas the numbers towards my left, that is this both number, will be added. So 4 plus 4 comes to what? 8. So I will write over here 8. Now look at this number 6 and 8. In division format 22 and 2 we have written like this. So 22 is greater than 8, right? So for a number to be divisible by any other number, the number to be divisible should be greater than the number to be divided from. So over here 6 is 6 greater than 8? No, means the number जो हम जिसको हमें divide करना है वो एक छोटा है जिससे हमें divide करना है. So that is not possible, right? So what we will do is we will bring this both numbers down so that we can increase this number which will be divisible from the 8 now. So we will bring this group down. So 09 will come down. So the number to be divided is now what? 609. But over here it is 8. Now what we will do is we will add one number over here which is question mark and we will write this number over here also. Okay, so such a number is to be found out which multiplied by itself will give us 609 or a number closer to 8. Now let us find that number. So it is 8 and a dash number. We don't know, so I will write a dash and a dash below it and we will multiply these both numbers to get a number closer to 609. Or the number itself, 609 or number closer to 609. So let us start. Now tell me over here at the end what is the number? The number at the end is 9. Now tell me whose square has the number 9 at the end? 2 2s are 4. No, it is only one single number which is 4. Is 4 equal to 9? Do we need 4 at the end? No. So let us start with another number. So 2 is over, so 2 we cannot take 2. 3. 3 3s are what? 9. We need 9 at the end. So let us try with 3. I will write 3 over here and 3 over here. So 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24, which is not possible because here we need what? 60. So 3 is not possible. Now let us try with another number who has 9 at the end. So 3 is also not possible. Now let us try with 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 means what? 1 and 6. So at the end which number we get? 6. But do we need 6? No, we need 9. So 4 is also not valid. Now 5. 5 5s are 25. So in 25, which number comes at the end? 5. So do we need 5? No. So 5 is also not valid. Now 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 means what? At the end 6 is there. But over here, do we need 6? No. So 6 is also not valid. So 7. 7 sevens are 49. In 49, which number comes at the end? 9. And do we need 9 at the end? Yes. So let us try with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 9 comes here. 7 eights are 60. 7 eights are 56. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We get 60. So what is the answer? The answer is 7. So now what we will do if when we get the answer, we write it 3 times. Where all we write? See, I am replacing this 2 question marks by what? 7, because we got the answer as 7. So I will write 7 over here, 7 over here, and 7 over here. So, and 87 sevens are what we get? 609. So that I subtracted from here. So 609 minus 609 comes to what? 0. So over here we get 0. So our ultimate goal is achieved. There is 0 in the remainder. And what over here? 7 plus 7 comes to 14. So 4 over here, 1 over here, which comes to 94. This does not matter, we write or not. Ultimate our answer is what? 47. Remember, the answer comes from this. This number is our answer. So the square root of 2209 is what? 47. It is same as we were doing in previous exercise. Nothing extra. Just simple multiplication and simple division you need to understand. So the answer of this question is what? 47. Now let us try with the second question. In this, same as above, we will draw a divisional bracket. We will write this number, which is 3721, inside the bracket. Now what we will do? We will form a group of 2 from the end. So 21 will form one group, 37 will form one group. Now tell me the number closer to 37 or the number 37 itself. The square of which number is closer to 37? 6 6 are 36, right? And what do we need? 37. If you are not comfortable directly, you can start from 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, and we need 37. So 36 is more ekdam close to 37. So what we will take? 6 over here. When we get the answer, how many times we write it? 3 times. See, I will write 6, 6 and 6. I will underline. Now tell me 6 6 are how much? 36. I will write it over here and subtract it from the above number. So I get 37 minus 36, which comes to 1. And over here, these numbers are to be added. The number towards my left should be added, and the number towards the lines left should be right should be subtracted. So I have subtracted 36 from 37. The answer comes to 1. Over here, what I will do? I will add 6 to 6, which comes to 12. Now look at this number 1. 1 is smaller than 12. Is this possible? The number which is to be divided is smaller than the number from which it is divided. So this is not possible. So what we will do? We will bring down this pair, which is 21. Okay. Now we have brought this number down, so we get 121. Now a number is added over here. I will mark it with question mark. Question mark, and this number multiplied by the number should give me 121. So let us have a look. If I take 1 2 and dash multiplied by dash, the answer should come to what? 121. So I will write 121 over here. Now let us try with 0. If I try with 0, what will be the answer? 0 zeros are 121. 120 into 0 comes to what? 0. So do we need 0? No. So 0 is not possible. Now I will try with 1. So 1, 1. 1 ones are how much? 1. 1 twos are 2. 2 1 ones are 1. So 121. So what is the number we have found? It is 1. So how many times we will write this 1? We will write 3 times. So I will replace this question mark with 1. 1, 1 and 1. Now tell me 121 ones are how much? 121. So we get 0 over here because the number towards my right should be subtracted and over here it should be added. So I get 122 over here and 0 over here. So the remainder is 0. So what is the answer? 61 is the answer. Means 61 is the square root of 3721. Now let us try the second question.
Choose the right kindergarten, a right bag, and matching bottle to go with. The right school, the right friends. Choose the right subjects and score well. Be an expert in all. The right teacher, and make sure that they like you. Choose the right timing, the right bus, and take a cab if getting late. The right train, and don't stand near the gates. Mind the pockets. Better get into ladies' compartment. And make sure your mustache hasn't started coming. Choose the right study time and forget games. IPL, IHL, rock and metal, guitar, axe. The right group and be a model to your brother. Seriously. Choose the right syllabus, the right test paper. Keep guessing questions for exams. Choose the right branch, the right college, the right stream. Choose the right career. Lucky to have a father's business to take care of and a father to allow that. The right counselor, the right form, and make sure the project is submitted on time. Choose the right website and rely on your friends for more information. Oblivious of the sites they have been to, there is no end to your woes. Getting better with every step you climb up the ladder. The summer vacation shorter, the bucket list bigger, the night darker, the books heavier. The only light you have is your friends ahead of you. Probably he is right. Ever thought how he got the direction? No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes. No more missing classes for rain, rally, and nonsense. Get your interest back in subjects through our creative ways of teaching. Doubts, concepts, applications, all explained through one vibrant animation. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts. Special programs only for basic foundation and paper analysis. Personality development, career counseling, admissions, hobbies, all covered. A new approach to study with long-term perspective. So sit back comfortably in your homes and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
I'll solve few questions which I find important. Hope you have understood with this divisional method and you will solve the remaining by your own. I'll solve 8th question, 12th question, 14th question and 15th question. So let us start with 8th question. Same divisional bracket I will draw. What is the number inside it? It is 2, 4, 6, 4, 9. So let us write this number. 2, 4, 6, 4, 9. Now what we'll do? We'll make a pair of 2. So starting from the end. So let us make a pair. This is 1. This is 2 and the 2 remains single. So what we will do, we'll just make it a pair of single. Now which group is first? 2, the single only. 2 is single only. So what we will do, find a closer square. the number whose square is closer to 2, so that we can write it over here like we were doing in the previous question. Now 2 2s comes to 4, but do we need 4 over here? No, we need just 2. So what we will do, a number smaller than 2, which is 1. So let us start with 1. 1 ones are how much? 1. So 1 is smaller than 2? Yes. So let us try with 1. 1, 1 and 1. I'll write it 3 times, and 1 ones comes to 1, which I'll write it over here. Now what I will do is, the number towards my right will be subtracted and the number towards my left will be added. So I'll add this both, whereas I'll subtract this. So 2 minus 1 comes to what? 1. And this 1 plus 1 comes to what? 2. Now look over here, 1 is smaller than 2 means what? जो डिविजन ब्रैकेट के अंदर है वो डिविजन ब्रैकेट के बाहर वाले नंबर से छोटा है, तो वो डिवाइड कैसे होगा? इफ आई से यू टेल मी अ नंबर divide 2 by 20, so is this possible? Answer will come in 0 point, so that we get over here 0.1. so over here you cannot write 0.1 and 0.1. so what we will do is, as we were doing in previous question, we will bring this number down, this pair down. Remember, when you bring the number down, it should be brought in pair and not single number. So this is 46. I'll bring it down. So it comes to over here 46. Now a number should be added over here. An unknown number should be added over here, so that the number, a pair of this number multiplied the unknown number will give us 146. So let us write 2 into dash into dash 2 dash into dash comes to 146. Now we need 6 at the end. So which square has 6 at the end? Whose square has 6 at the end? 4 4s are 16. So let us try with 4, because 4 4s comes to 16, and in 16 we have 6 at the end, which is what we require. So I'll write 4 over here, 4 over here. 4 4s are 16, 6 over here, 1 over here. Now tell me, 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8, and 1 over here 9. But do we need 96? No, we need 146. Means what? This 4 is wrong. Now what we will replace is, can it be replaced by 5? No, because still 5 5s are 25. So 6. Yes, let us try with 6. So 6 6 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12. 12 13 14 15 156. But what we need just 146. So what? हम एक नंबर ज़्यादा आ गए आगे. So what we'll go back. Let us take 5. Okay. So I'll take 5. Over here we have 2, and I'll replace it, the unknown number, with 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 over here. 5 2s are 10, 11 and 12. So it is 125. So let us write 5 how many times? 3 times. So over here, and over here. Now how much? 25 5s are 125. So I'll write 125 over here. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. This group, I will add this first. We will get how much? 30. Now tell me, is 21 smaller than 30? Yes. So what we'll do, we'll bring the another pair down. So I'll bring this pair down. So I'll bring 49 over here. So what we need is 2149. And the unknown number is to be added over here, multiplied by this. So 30 dash into dash should be equal to 2149. Now tell me which number do we need at the end? It is 9. So let us try with 3, because 3 3s are 9, and what we need at the end is 9. So let us try with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0. But we have what? 4 over here, means what? 3 is wrong. So let us try with another number which has 9 at the end. Now tell me which number square has 9 at the end? 7 7s are 49. So let us try with 7. Because 7 sevens are 49. In 49, which number is there at the end? 9. And what we need at the end? 9. So 7. 7. 7 sevens are 4 and 9. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, 4. Yes, see 49. Now 7 threes are 21. Means what? Answer आ रहा है. किस नंबर से आ रहा है? 7 से. How many times we will write 7? 3 times. 1 over here, 1 over here, 1 over here. And over here what we will write? 307 into 7, which comes to 2149. This is to be subtracted from the number inside the bracket, which comes to 0. So our remainder comes to 0. Now add this both. 7 plus 7 comes to what? 14. 1 over here. 1, 3, 3, 1, 4. So what is the square root of 24649? It is 157. Now let us do the another question, which is 12th one. The remaining problems you can do by your own. It is very simple, as we have done in the earlier question. This is a simple exercise. There is nothing new in this exercise. So let us start with 12th question. In 12th question, which square root we have to find? It is 625. So let us write this number inside the bracket. 625. Now what we will do? We will form a pair of 2 starting from the end. So 25 will form one group, 0, 0 will form one group, and 6 will remain alone. Now tell me whose square is closer to 6. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So it is 2, because 2 2s are 4. So 4 is closer to 6. So let us try with 2. 2, 2, 2. 3 times I have written 2. This both should be added. So it comes to 4. And 2 2s are 4. 4 should be written over here and it should be subtracted. So 6 minus 4 comes to what? 2. And over here 2 is smaller than 4, like in previous questions. So what we do? We bring the next group down, which is 0 0. So let us bring this 0 0 down. 0 0. Now this 4 and this is 200. So what we will do is, now we will add such a number to this 4 so that the answer, the square, the number multiplied by the unknown number when multiplied by 4 into 4 dash should give us number closer to 200. So this is 4 over here, dash over here, and we need number approx to 200. So let us try with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, and this comes to 22. The number is greater than 200, right? So what we will do? Take a number smaller than 5, which is 4. So let us take 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 176. So this is the number closer to 200. So let us write. How many times we will write 4? We will write 3 times. 1 over here, 1 over here, and 1 over here. Now what will come here? 176. So 200 minus 176, let us do it. 1, 9 and 10. 10 minus 6 comes to what? 4. 7 minus 9. 9 minus 7 comes to what? 2. And 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 24. And over here what we will do is 4 plus 4 comes to what? 8. And this 4 as it is. So 48 over here, 24 over here. Now tell me, is 24 smaller than 48? Yes. So what we will do? We will bring the next group down, which is 25. So let us bring 25 down. So the answer comes to 24, 25. And over here we have 48. So what we have to do? We have to add such a number to 48. Means extra number, another digit in the units place to 48, so that the unit which we bring now or which we find multiplied by that unit itself will give us 24, 25. So let us write the number first. 48 and a dash number multiplied by a dash number will give us 24, 25. Now tell me what we need at the end. 5. Tell me whose square has 5 at the end. 5 square, because 5 5s are 25. So let us write 5, 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 over here, 5 over here. So we got this 5. Now 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40, 41, 42. So what we have? 4 and 2 over here. So see, we got two numbers 25. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So we got this 24 also. Means what? The answer is what? 5. So I'll write 5 over here. 5 over here. Subtract the number 24, 25. Because this is what we got, na? So the remainder comes to what? 0. And over here we have 9, 490. Okay? And this 5 is to be shifted over here. So 625 square root is 245. Now let us move on to the next question, which is question number 14. All the 5-digit numbers are a bit complicated because the size is more, so the division comes to be more. So I have taken up all the 5-digit numbers. What is the number? Look over here. It is 5, 4, 7, 5, 6. This number is to be divided. But for division method, what we have to do? The first step is grouping. Grouping two numbers starting from the end. So let us group. 56 forms one group, 47 the another, and 5 remains the single. Now tell me whose square is closer to 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 is close to 5. So whose square is close to 5? 2 square is close to 5. So how many times we will write 2? 3 times. So let us start. 1, 2, 3. 3. So 3 times we have written 2. 2 2s are what? 4. So 5 minus 4 comes to what? 1. We will write 1 over here, and 2 plus 2, 4 over here. Now this 47, now 1 is smaller than 4, so what we will do? We will bring the next group down. So this 47 is to be brought down. 147. Now we have 4 over here and 147 over here. Now what we will do is, so 2 plus 2 comes to 4, and over here we have got 5 minus 4, which comes to 1. Now 1 is smaller than 4, right? So what? We have to bring the another group, which is 47, down. So we got 147 over here inside the bracket and 4 outside. Now we have to add such a number to 4 so that the number we find multiplied by the number 40 dash will give us the number closer to 147. Now let us try. This is 4, this is dash, this is dash. Now let us try with 5 first. 5, 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 comes to what? 22. So 22, 25 and 147. There is a huge difference between this, right? So what we will do? A number smaller than 5. So let us try with a number smaller than 5, which is suppose 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 129. It is smaller than 147, but let us try with 4 also. If the number is smaller than if the number comes over here, which by 4 is smaller than this, then we will take that number. So let us try with 4. 44 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, 17. 176. No, 176 is greater than 147, so it cannot be subtracted from 147. So what we will do? We will take this 3. 3, 3, 3. 3 times we have written 3, and over here what we got is 129. That I will write over here. Okay. Now what we will do? We will subtract the numbers towards my right and we will add the numbers towards my left. So I will subtract this both. How to subtract? 4, 3, 17. 9 to 17. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, which comes to 7. 8. So I will write 8 over here. Now 17 minus 9 comes to what? 8. And over here what I will do is 3 minus 2, which comes to 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. So I got 18 over here, and 3 plus 3, 6, and this 4 as it is, 46 over here. Now what we will do, as 18 is smaller than 46, we will bring the another group down, which is 56. So let us bring this group down. So 1856 we have over here, and over here what we have 46. Now a number should be added over here so that this number multiplied by the number will give us 1856. So let us write 46 dash into dash will give us what? 1856. Okay, so what we need at the end? We need 6 at the end. Now tell me the whose square is closer to 6, or whose square has 6 at the end. 6 6 are 36. So we have 6 square whose the number at the end we have 6. So let us try with 6. 6 6 6 6 are 36. So 6 over here. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 36 37 38 39. No, we don't have 9 over here. So what we will do, we will find another number which has 6 at the end. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So let us try with 4 because 4 also has 6 at the end. So let us try with 4. 4 4s are 16. So 6 we got over here, 1 over here. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So I got 5 also, and I'll write 2 over here. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 17, 18. So I got 18 also. Means what? This number 464 multiplied by 4, I get 1856. Means what the answer is? What? What is the answer? The answer is 4. So I'll write 4 over here, 4 over here, and 4 over here. So I'll add this. 4 plus 4 comes to what? 8, 6 and 4. And over here I got 1856. I already told you. How I got 1856? 464 multiplied by 4, I got 1856. So the remainder comes to what? 0. So what is the square root of 54756? 54756 square root is what? It is 234. Now let us try with the last question, which is 15625. This also has to be done in similar way by division method. So now let us form a division bracket. This is a bracket. In this bracket, which number we will write inside? It is 15625. So let us write that number. Okay. Now what we will do? We will form a group of 2 starting from the end. So this 2 will form one group. This 2 will form one group, and the 1 will remain alone. Now tell me the first group, which is 1. 1 is single, right? Means what? It is forming a group with itself only. So 1. Now tell me a number whose square is closer to 1. 2 2s are 4. So 2 is also not possible. 1 1s are 1. Yes. So what we will write? 1. How many times? 3 times. So 1, 2 and 3. Add this both. We will get 2. Over here 1. So 1 1s are 1. 1 minus 1 comes to what? 0. Okay. Now over here we have 0. Over here we have 2. 0 cannot be divided by 2. So what we will do? We will bring this number down, which is 56. Now a number should be added over here so that the number multiplied by the number dash, we will get the answer as 56 or the number closer to it. Now let us draw 2 dash multiplied by dash should be the number closer to 56. Now let us try with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11 and 12. No, the number is more than 56. So let us replace this 5. Now what we will write? Let us try with 2. 2 2 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Yes, 44 is closer to 56. So the answer is 2. So let us write 2 how many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Now add this number which comes to 4, 24 over here, and over here what we will write inside? We will write this number. What we got? 44. So write it over here and subtract it. So 6 minus 4 comes to what? 2. and over here 5 minus 4, 1. So I have 12 inside and 24 outside. 12 is smaller than 24, right? So what we will do, we will bring the another group pair down, which is 25. So what I got inside, I got 120, 1225, and over here 24. So what I will do, I'll add such a number to 24 so that the number I find multiplied by the number will give me number 1225. So let us try. 24 and a dash multiplied by a dash will give me 1225. Number at the end is what? 5. Tell me whose square has number 5 at the end. 5 square, because 5 5s are 25. In the 25 number we have 5 at the end. So let us replace this dash with 5. 5 5s are 25. To 5 over here, 2 over here. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 2 over here, 2 over here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. So this is what? 12. So I got whole number 1225. Means what? If I replace this by 5, I'll get the answer as 1225. And the remainder as 0, because this has to be subtracted, whereas this has to be added. So 5 plus 5, 10. So the answer comes here is 250. And we have to write 5 over here. So means what? The square root of 15,625 is what? 125. So we have done with this exercise. It is what we have done earlier. Simple division method. You will understand it more as you solve more and more problems. So clear with this exercise?